Cover your glass doors or glass walls with Decograph's LC5520 graphic films for windows. It prevents exposure from ultraviolet light and excellent printability features that provides a beautiful visual effect on your windows or glass doors. In this video, we will show you how to print and apply your custom printed frosted window film that will perfectly fit your business. First, measure the area where you want to put your design. Then, cut LC5520 graphic films for windows with a scissor, utility knife, flatbed cutter, or any roll cutter. Print with laser printer. LC5520 graphic films for windows can also be printed with UV, latex, and eco-solvent printer. We created a digitally printed frosted film for kids area, office marketing room, and prepared for upcoming Eid Mubarak to greet our clients or visitors in a unique way whenever they enter our office. After printing, spray the glass surface with water with a mixture of soap. By doing this process, you can reposition your graphic more easily. Then, peel off the back liner and apply it on the glass door or window. Use a squeegee to remove air bubbles. Once the graphic is fully applied and all excess water has been removed using the squeegee, just wait for 24 hours. This will allow the graphic to dry out and adhere fully on the window. Non-printed and digitally printed frosted window films can be used both indoors and outdoors and are often used to display company logos, advertise products and promotions, offer general business information, and provide privacy for company boardrooms, offices, and retail storefronts. Our premium quality frosted films allows you to quickly and easily create an eye-catching feature of your glass windows or glass doors. Outdoor durability is up to 5 years when properly processed and applied. What are you waiting for? Level up your space with a minimum amount of work and cost with LC5520 graphic films for windows with Decograph. For more information, visit our website at www.decograph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.